Hey guys, welcome back to my caramel shop videos. Today I want to show you how I make my famous chocolate soap truffles made with real cocoa butter. They are so soothing on the skin and they are wonderful with luscious oils, and they're very easy to make. So if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so it's right here to the right I have a goat's milk soap base that I bought at Michael's, or you could buy at wholesale supplies. This is natural cocoa butter that has been cut and shredded, and it's not refined. This is my own shaving soap that I made. It makes the soap very foamy and bubbly. And right here is a shea butter base soap base that I also bought as well. So we're going to combine all of these ingredients. We're going to mix them together and melt them. Okay, so now I put all of my shredded soap and cocoa butter in a glass bowl here. And this is actually for a small batch, so I'm not using a lot. Here I have my mixed oils. I have added cocoa butter and sweet almond oil with a bunch of oils as well. And I also put my fragrance and brown mica, and I mix that. Now I find this is a lot better for me because when I put the mica in itself, it's just not properly dissolved. So just make sure that when you're using brown mica in this recipe to mix it with your scent and your oils. Alright guys, so you're going to put your glass bowl into the microwave and heat it at 30 shot bursts until it is fully melted. So here is our fully melted soap. I just want to show you guys that I bought this chocolate silicone mold from Michael's, I want to say about 3 years ago, and it's perfect. There's a lot of different molds that you can make, so here I am trying to figure out, okay, which mold do I want to use? Pour it slowly and carefully, and remember to use gloves. Make sure you spray with rubbing alcohol on top to get rid of those bubbles. And this was the fragrance that I used, the chocolate devil food cake, for my chocolate scent. Now we're going to be making chocolate coffee truffles. So what I did was I just mixed my oils again with the soap base, and I added organic coffee grounds that I bought from, I don't know if it was Trader Joe's or Whole Foods, but here is the mixture again, and mix very well because the coffee grinds tend to always stick to the bottom, so you're going to have to constantly mix here. Even when you're pouring, just keep mixing in between. One of my favorite scents, it's fresh brewed coffee from Nature's Garden. I love the scent for coffee products. And I'm going to be using my mint chocolate chip fragrance from Brambleberry and my sliced green kiwi mica to make a mint chocolate chip truffle soap. So usually I always switch things around. I'll make like a blackberry soap or a strawberry soap, but for this particular order they asked for just regular chocolate, mint chocolate, and coffee soap. So these boxes that I bought are from Paper Mart, and they're still up on the website. And this is just gold foil wrapping that I bought from Amazon. I think I got like 1,000 sheets for like maybe $20. And here we are done, ladies and gentlemen. I added white chocolate soap and I put some drizzle on top, and I wrapped actually the coffee soaps up with the gold foil. You guys can do anything you want, just be creative, put sprinkles on top. This was so much fun. I have these soap truffles on my Etsy shop and they're $10 a box, so feel free to look at my shop. I will leave the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great holiday season, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.